when in water matter the two things, hydrogen, oxygen. But what happens when they make the water is there, hydrogen, oxygen both got the property. A new property has come. But where is air? Air what happened? You can say air 78% is the nitrogen and 21% is the oxygen. But 1% the other gases. But one thing remember there, all the places you are going in there, what you will get is there? Oxygen not in the 21%. In the suppose that big city you go to the Calcutta, then what you will see there? Air is the mixture, but what happened? Mixture of the oxygen is the less. And when we are going to the coal mines area, where is the factory there, percentage of carbon dioxide will increase or decrease. But we are going to the forest area, then we get the percentage of oxygen is the more, carbon dioxide is the less. That's why what happens here? Air is a mixture. What is the mixture? What is the mixture? Two or three things mixed together, but not by a fixed ratio. But compound, two or three things mixed together by a fixed ratio. So we can say, after that what happens? Hydrogen and oxygen, water is there. If you want to separate hydrogen and oxygen, if you want to separate hydrogen and oxygen from the water, is it possible? When you will heat it there, then water vapor will come. But hydrogen and oxygen we cannot separate it there. Water vapor will come. Vapor has come, that is the water vapor will come. But not come to the hydrogen oxygen. Only 1% we can separate there by electrolysis. But electrolysis. But what happens? From the air we can separate all the gases. We can separate the hydrogen, all the gases, whatever percent there, we can separate it there. Due to three property, you can say air is a mixture, but water is a compound. Understand?
Yes, sir.
3 point must be right there because this question come 3 marks or 5 marks. Some more quantity is there. There is not a fixed ratio. Different places the ratio will be different. But water, what happens? You are taking the water from the river, lake or any place you are taking it there. Any place you are taking the water, what you will get it there? By the fixed ratio. So we can separate air, all the air from the water. What? 2 point what point you say?
First point that fixed ratio. Water has a fixed ratio.
Fixed ratio.
And air does not have the fixed ratio. It changes according to the place. And
Hydrogen and oxygen. Loss is property. A new property has come, but air or not loss the property. Suppose that what happens? Suppose that air, when blow is there, then what we get is there? Nitrogen, oxygen both has come. Not is there, property, hydrogen, all the air loss is property, not loss.
Hydrogen and oxygen loss their property.
In water, hydrogen, oxygen loss is property and a new property has come. But in the air, all the gases have keep each property. These three different we write, this must be written. Now. Elements are classified in two parts. Elements are classified in the two parts. One is the metal and one is the non-metal. Class 8. Remember it, class 8. So what is the metal? Physical property of the metal. Physical property of the metal. Metals are malleable and ductile. What do you understand by the malleable? Ductile?
Thin wire.
Thin wire, yes. All metal bitten into the sheet, that property is known as the malleable, and ductile means drawn into the wire. So we can say all the wire is made of the metal. Second point.
Metals are good conductor of heat.
Good conductor of. Like there is the one exception is there. All metal can bitten the sheet, but except sodium and potassium. Except good conductor of electricity. Good conductor of electricity. But here is the one non-metal is the good conductor. What is the name of that? Graphite. One is the graphite. Now may I ask one question from class 10? Why graphite is the good conductor of electricity? क्यों? ठीक है, ये तो हम जान गए graphite is the one exception is there. Why? Why? बोलो, कोई भी एक बोलो. This is not for class 9, class 10. But I do this. I just say what happened here. It is found in the. This is the shape of the graphite. The graphite का shape है. One more shape. This one shape is there. Then you know that all the human elements try to become the inner gas by the setting of the electron. You one carbon share by the 1, 2, one inside go 3, one sharing by the another layer of the carbon. ये कार्बन इससे दिया इसको कहते हैं इसको that bond is known as the hydrogen bond and generally we write the weak bond. So when electricity passes there, this electron start to moving it there. A moving of electron is known as the electricity. That's why graphite is the non-metal, pure non-metal, but it is the good conductor. Exception. All metal are the good conductor. One non-metal is the good conductor. Sonara, producing the
Ringing sound.
ringing sound. Yes, producing the ringing sound. All metal. That's why it is written there. Our school bell is made of the metal. Why? Because it produces the ringing sound. All the bell made of the sonara. Luster, shining. Yes, all metal has the shining in nature. Yes, why aluminum is not shining?
Because it has the oxide
Oxide layer. Due to the oxide layer, it is the not shining. Otherwise, all metal are the shining. And one more question there. Aluminum pot should not be washed with the sand. Why? Or mud?
because the oxide layer will
Yes, and when oxide layer will remove it there, some of the metal will be also removed it there.
and gold will
Lastly, what happens? Become the hole is there. Yeah, that's why aluminum pot should not be washed it there. Luster and all metal generally very hard. But one thing is there, one non-metal also very hard. Diamond, yeah. All metal are one only except for the sodium and potassium. More care given the exception. हाँ, जो exception में उसको पूछेंगे. मेरा क्वेश्चन रहेगा तो. Which metal are not cut with the knife? Sodium and potassium. Otherwise, all metal are the very hard. Only the sodium and potassium is the exception is there. Okay. Low melting point and boiling point. Metal are the high melting point and boiling point. Hard metal are very hard. Metals are hard. एक point भी है, metals are hard. If there is a hard, then what happens? If melting point and boiling point become the hard. What is the meaning of the melting point?
melting point the water which the
When they start to melt it there, तो कोई भी चीज जब melt होगा, तो how they will melt it there? You see there, it becomes the hard means all atoms are joined together very strongly. When you remove this one, then they will start to flow there. That's why metal is all the metal atoms are very closely packed, hard packed. That's why it is very strong. But non-metal what happens? It is the easily will be melted there. So we can write all metal are high, hard, and that's why high melting point and boiling point. Now just opposite of the non-metal. Non-metal just इसका opposite लिखना है. Non-metal are not malleable, not ductile, not drawn into the wire, poor conductor of electricity. Then you can say that our wire cables covered with the plastic, that is the non-metal. That's why not get the electric shock in there. जितना बड़ा हुआ है ये सब इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक है. और जस्ट जितना भी मेटल है जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ द नॉन-मेटल. Luster, not luster. Only one metal is the luster. That is a diamond. Why diamond is the luster? क्यों? ये भी बता दो.
allotrop of carbon.
यार एलोट्रोप ऑफ तो एलोट्रोप में कार्बन का एक 3 रूप. एलोट्रोप में क्या हुआ? रूप है. ये चमकता क्यों है? My question is that why they are shining it there? Because carbon joined with the carbon by a single bond, a reflective index of this bond. below the 1.5. यही फिजिक्स टीचर से पूछ लेना बढ़िया से व्हाट इज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. आई थिंक क्लास 9 टिल नाउ नॉट टीच इट देयर. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स क्या है इसका जो है 1.5 से यदि कम रहेगा एनी ऑफ द मेटल इफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स लेस देन द 1.5 टोटल लाइट रिफ्रैक्टिव है. ये टोटल लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट कर देता है. दैट्स व्हाई साइनिंग इन द प्रॉपर्टी. अंडरस्टूड. कार्बन ज्वाइन विद द कार्बन बाय सिंगल बॉन्ड एंड व्हेन बॉन्ड मे बी देयर ये जो बॉन्ड बना हुआ है इसका जो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स है लेस देन द 1.5. इफ एनी ऑफ द एलिमेंट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स द 1.5 is there below then all light will reflect there. That's why we tap on glass and keep in the sunlight. Then what happen? Total light will be reflected there. Sand sand में जब पानी पड़ेगा तो चमकेगा लगेगा पानी है. क्यों? Total light reflect. If you are going to the कोलतार स्ट्रीट there कोलतार रोड जिसमें अलकतरा लगा हुआ रोड पे. In the summer time, if you are sitting in front of the car or bus, then what you will see there in the road you will see there is the water.
Yes, sir.
पानी दिखाई पड़ेगा. Observe it there. Why? Because total light is reflected there. So any of the element, not only for diamond, if its angle is the less than the 1.5, total light they will reflect it there. That's why shining in nature. अच्छा नॉन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी तो एक में ही पढ़ा हुआ है. जब कुछ चीज में पूछ लेना. हाँ
सर सेपरेशन बताइए.
सेपरेशन पढ़ा है शुरू.
नहीं उसी में तो सेपरेशन है.
I will sort it there. Huh? After that I will say there. You can say where is the salt, where is the salt. Visible is there, no? And what happens? Easily passes from the filter paper. Homogeneous picture is discussed. First, there is no visible boundary between the particles. First question there. Visible boundary means understand?
Yes, sir.
Means we cannot say where has the mixed water with the sugar or salt. सॉल्ट में नमक में कहाँ मिला हुआ है पानी. पानी मिल के जो हमको बना दिए वाटर इज द सॉल्टी बट वी कांट से व्हिच इज द सॉल्ट. इफ वी आर सी अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप देन इट विल नॉट बी यूज्ड. वी वांट टू सेपरेट इट देयर. दो चीज प्रेजेंट है. वन इज द लिक्विड, वन इज द सॉलिड. यू टेक द फिल्टर पेपर. यू नो व्हाट इज द फिल्टर पेपर? दैट इज नॉन एज द ब्लॉटिंग पेपर. उसमें क्या होता है ब्लॉटिंग दिस पेपर एंड फिल्टर पेपर देयर इज द वन डिफरेंसेस. What difference is there? That paper may be thick is there, but what means there is a small hole between them. इसमें से नहीं कर सकते पानी को हम नहीं छाट सकते हैं लेकिन उससे हम छाट सकते हैं. लेकिन जो है प्रोटीन पेपर क्यों? There is a small hole, very small hole is there. Generally what happens is there not separate the salt. If we are putting the salt in there, water and salt both will be crossed by the filter paper. This there is no visible boundary. यहाँ पर क्या not separate by filter paper. Not separate by filter paper. Not separate by filter paper. Third, light not see the Tyndall effect. What is the meaning of the Tyndall effect?
Reflection of light.
Light. हाँ yes. If you have taken the salt water is there, a glass of water intact is there, and you pass the one torch is there, then what you will see there? All the light will be passes there. Passes is there. So not effect, not show the Tyndall effect. Not show but heterogeneous means sand and water. If you attack the sand and water mixed together, muddy water. Suppose that very good example. And if you are keeping for undisturbed for the 1 month, then what happens? Solid will be not settle down. यदि हम चीनी और पानी को नमक पर पानी को हम घोट दिए, after that what happens? If you are keeping undisturbed for the 2 days or 1 month, then what we see there? Salt will be settle down? Never. हाँ? देखिए इसमें क्या हुआ? There is a visible boundary. Muddy water. या muddy water फ्लावर का पानी लेते हैं muddy water and we keep it there. Then what we absorb it there? We absorb it there. There is the mud is there. If you are taken under the microscope, mud will be visible. Easily will be visible there. First, not separate. Separate by the filter paper. You are taken the filter paper. Given the muddy water is there, all mud will be filtered out. Water will only pass from the filter paper. We can separate. Third, Tyndall effect, show it there. You pass the light in there, see most of the light will be reflected. Muddy water taken and torch, you burn the torch is there, then you what you will absorb is there, all light will be reflected. Yes. And third, that's why not show the Tyndall paper. Yes. And filter paper also you will not separate. This is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous. Clear is there?
Yes.
Now more 3 marks question will come. Homogeneous, 3 points I given it here. Enough. Now separation will be required. Separation. Pandit but you tell there. अरे पैडिंग में वो धान एक चावल में मिला हुआ है, कैसे सेपरेट करेंगे? हैंड पिकिंग, now means one thing is there, if any two things we want to separate here, we should know the property of the two things. Two things properties should be the different. Suppose that if I say that salt and sugar you are given it there, then it is difficult because both are looking the same, but properties are not same. Why? Suppose that now you tell me, if you are given the salt, you are given the sugar, mixed together, and we say separate it there. How you will separate? Can't separate. You separate it there. How? Sugar is the organic solvent. You take the KY. क्या सकते हैं? आया split ले लो और mix together. Then what you have done is there, all the sugar will be dissolved, but salt will be not dissolved because salt is the unequal, not soluble in the organic solvent. And all the sugar will be soluble here. We can separate there. Now, what has given the separate of the separation of the mixture of iron and sulfur can be separate. Compound cannot be separate. Mixture can be separate. ये प्रैक्टिकल हम करा देंगे, हाँ, बस कंपाउंड नो। क्यों भाई ऐसा क्यों होगा? इसमें कोई फिक्स रेशियो नहीं होता है। व्हाट इज द मिक्सचर एंड कंपाउंड? मिक्सचर एंड कंपाउंड बाय always fixed ratio, but mixture has the not fixed ratio. That can separate it there. Element property is the compound. What is that? Element loss is property, but mixture all the element not loss the property. That's why we can separate it there. The property will not change there. And one property has come. That's why mixture can be separated. Suppose that one example, your book example, you take some of the iron name, iron or sand. Okay. If I will say, you separate it there. If magnet. Why? Because we know there attacked by the magnet. That's why we can separate it there. But then not attacked by the magnet. We can separate it. Means out of the two things, one property, both properties should be the different. जरूर होगा तभी वो mix कर separate it there. Otherwise no. So iron and sand. And now you see you take the sulfur plus iron. Mix like any ratio. Then what you will get it there? We bring the magnet is there. All iron will be attacked by the and sulfur we can separate. Otherwise, you have taken the CS2 liquid is there, put both is there, then what you have done is there, sulfur are soluble in the CS2 solution, but iron not soluble is there. You can separate it there, we can easily separate this way. After that you heat it there, इसको heat कर दो थोड़ा देर तक, only 2 minutes. After that what happens, they make the compound FeS, ferrous sulfide. Both are present in there, iron and sulfur, but it becomes the compound. Now you bring the magnet, iron will not affected by the magnet. If you are given the CS2, then what you are showing there, sulfur are not soluble in the CS2. Here is the sulfate, but here not soluble. Why? Because it makes the compound. When they make the compound, means iron and sulfur loss its property. A new thing, a black mass, a new thing is the form. That not keep the property of the iron and sulfur. A new thing is formed. That's why we cannot separate iron sulfide by the magnet or by the CS2. Otherwise, if you are taken the iron and sulfur first we taken in there, easily you can separate it there. I will show you the laboratory. Bring the magnet, all iron will be acted. If you are bringing the CS2 solution in there, sulfur are soluble in the CS2, iron not soluble in there. Why sulfur will be soluble in the CS2? Why? If you will sulfur, because this is the covalent bond. Sulfur is the non-metal. S8. Atmosity I am not discussing in the class. S8, sulfur. So all of the non-metal covalent compound soluble in the organic solvent. What is the meaning of the organic solvent? What is the solvent? What is the solute? What is the solvent? What is the solution? ये तो पहले जानना चाहिए तब तो these things dissolve. In which it dissolve? In which it dissolve? After dissolve what form? That is the solution. Understood? क्या बोल रहे हैं? जैसे है what is the solute in here? Slide. Solute इसमें क्या है? Salt. वाटर है सॉल्वेंट इसका जो बना हो गया सलाइन सॉल्यूशन का सलाइन अंडरस्टूड जो चीज घुलता होगा उसको बोलेंगे सॉल्यूट और जिसमें घुलेगा दैट इज द सॉल्वेंट आफ्टर दैट व्हाट दे विल मेक इट दैट इज कॉल्ड अच्छा alloy is a mixture of compound. Alloy is the mixture. Why alloy is known as a mixture? देखो हम बताते हैं. New thing is the form property and change. Iron making of the देखो iron को जो है हमें स्टील में बदल दिए. तो ये क्या होगा देखो आयरन को स्टील में बनाते हैं तो आयरन लॉस इज प्रॉपर्टी. Not steel not rusted easily. But iron is whatever is there, alloy is a mixture. Why? Not a fixed ratio. Means water जब बनाए थे तो 2 हाइड्रोजन 1 ऑक्सीजन. यहाँ के आयरन बनाने में हमको आयरन देना क्रोमियम देना होगा. Chromium. Generally we are given the iron 60% and this chromium has given the 40%. हम आयरन दे देंगे 80%. क्रोमियम ज़्यादा है 20%. Then they make the steel. ये तो भी स्टील ही बनेगा लेकिन क्या होगा कॉस्ट भी लेस. एक गिलास तो स्टील का गिलास अभी बढ़िया दुकान में लेने के लिए तो पड़ेगा 100 रुपीज. एक फुटपाथ में जो आता है बेचने के लिए वो देगा 30 रुपये. बहुत आता है स्टील. कलर इज द सेम. बोथ है द सेम. कलर है द सेम बट कॉस्ट इज द डिफरेंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज chromium has costly metal. They are given 20%. In the high cost, it given the 40%. What will you say? अच्छा. And steel we are making it there. Iron second steel is made in there. Iron is the 96%.
And 4% is carbon.
4% is the carbon. Then steel is formed. अब जो है हमको जो इसको जैसा जैसा प्रोडक्ट जितना दाम है हम इसका परसेंटेज कम करेंगे. आयरन का दाम देंगे. हाँ कर देंगे. दैट्स वी कैन डू इट देयर. तो एलॉय क्या है 2 or 3 थिंग मिक्स टुगेदर एंड इट्स प्रॉपर्टी शुड बी चेंज. दिस इज द एज ऑफ द एलॉय. अभी जो है एलॉय की एज है. पहले क्या था अभी जो है देखो अभी एक चीज बताते हैं. पहले जो है रोल गोल अभी रोल गोल. हाँ अभी क्या है रोल गोल. अभी लोग क्या करता था कि गोल्डन का नहीं लेता था. इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग का गोल्ड लेता था. सोने से कम नहीं खोजाने से कम नहीं. 5 रुपया दाम है. हाँ लेकिन now what happened alloy has come. Now a lot of ornament you will see there. What happened there? 2 or 3 things mixed together its property will be changed. 2 और 3 को मिला के उसका प्रॉपर्टी को चेंज करिए. Not rusted easily, looking very nice and selling in the market. That's why alloy is a 2 or 3 metal or non-metal mixed together, but not in a fixed ratio. Any ratio we can mix it there. जैसे क्या है third thing is there गोल्ड। कभी तुम अभी गोल्ड सोना का दुकान में जाएगी, फर्स्ट दे विल आस्क यू देयर हाउ मच कैरेट गोल्ड यू रिक्वायर। Generally, then we will say 22 to 20%, not 24%. Why? 24% easily will be available. So 2% क्या होता है? 22%, 2% copper mix it there, it become the half. Some of the places you will say 4% copper has given. What is the less? तुम्हारे पास कम पैसा है, बैंक को 20% दीजिए, 4% आप मिला दीजिए कॉपर। ज़्यादा में 2% मिलाइए। If more you want it there, then 1%, not less than 1%. Generally, gold we cannot take in the 24 carat. 24 carat are the soft. पानी लिया करने में तुरंत पर टाल लिया चल। तो ये अच्छा भी चीज है। What we say, your year will not come out, but मेरे gold भी किया है इसका।